What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, and today I'm going to give away 2 6-month subscriptions to my website totally for free. As designers, it's important to have a website to show off our portfolio of work. Bookmark offers the most straightforward and quickest way to generate an awesome website without even having to write down a single line of code, and all completed in a matter of minutes. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about Bookmark and design your website today. So as you might be aware, I actually made a subscription-based website with courses, tutorials, vector and PSD downloads, and I launched that last month. Today, Wednesday the 1st of May, is the second month's worth of content being uploaded onto my website. And I've actually got a competition for you guys to use your graphic design and creative skills to potentially win yourself 6 months totally for free on my website. I'm going to give that away to 2 people. So how are you going to win 6 months for free on my subscription based website? Let's quickly dive into Adobe Illustrator and I will show you exactly how. To be one of the 2 winners, you must design an original and a unique design in Adobe Illustrator, and it must utilize the technique that I'm about to show you. Now I'm sure most of you already know this technique, and that is using a clipping mask. So to quickly demonstrate, I'm going to make a circle with the ellipse tool and then place it over my shape design here. I want to see creativity and originality from those of you who do decide to enter into the competition. So once you do have your shape or your selection over your design, select both elements, and then you can either right click the artboard and then choose clipping mask, or you can just select clipping mask from the top drop down menu. You might want to make a poster or maybe some digital art or even some typography. Make anything in Adobe Illustrator as long as you use a clipping mask somewhere on your design. So welcome back, and I hope you are fully aware of how to use your creative skills to design something as a means to enter this competition. On a quick side note, I do have my microphone propped up on a kind of china vase or vase or whatever you want to say. My microphone stand broke, but I have a new microphone coming to me in the mail anyway. So that's the reason I've got this set up here. But anyway, going back to the topic of today's video, if you do want to enter into this competition, all of the details are down in the description box below. And you will need a Twitter account to enter, so if you haven't already got a Twitter account, just make one for today's video. You have 1 week to enter, so until Wednesday next week, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your entries and your use of the clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. I want you to get these creative juices flowing and show me what you're made of. Also, you're not going to just win 6 months totally for free on my website. You also will have your work retweeted on my Twitter account to all of my followers. So yeah, best of luck people, and I am really looking forward to seeing what you make and what you come up with. I have an Illustrator tutorial dropping on Friday, so do stay tuned for that one. And of course, until next time, design your future today. Peace.